If you plan to get certified and get the Microsoft 365 Certified Administrator certification, stay in this video because I have something very good for you. Let's go! Well, I decided to do this video in English to make sure I support both our Greek and international viewers who are preparing for global certifications just like this one, the Microsoft 365 Certified Administrator exam. So, if you want to level up your skills, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. So, let's go and take a look at today's scenario. These questions will be very similar to the ones that you get when you go for the Microsoft 365 Certified Administrator exam. So let's take a look at this, and I'm going to do another video very soon where I'm going to explain you what is the correct answer and why is the correct answer. So let's go and take a look at the question. When viewing the Service Health page in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, what does the status Investigation Suspended indicate? Select just one correct answer. The first one is Microsoft has confirmed the service is healthy and operating as designed. The second answer is Microsoft requires additional information from customers to investigate the potential issue further. The third answer is Microsoft is taking corrective action to restore service, but it will take time to reach all systems. And the last one is Microsoft is aware of a potential issue and is gathering more information about the scope of impact. Do you know the right choice? What do you think? Put your answer A, B, C or D in the comments below. Don't worry if you are not entirely sure, very soon I will be creating another video to show and fully explain the correct answers. So, drop the comments below, good luck and see you in the next video.